Learn how to see who access your Gmail and how to remove them. This video all about how to see your Gmail account. And also we share how to check if someone else accessed your Google account. If you want to ensure how to secure your Gmail account, watch this and find out who is accessing your Gmail. After seeing this content, you can remove access to your connection to third-party apps and services. So how to do it? First of all, you go to the Gmail app. Click profile icon. Now tap on Manage your account. Go to Security option. Scrolling down. Now check your all connection to third-party apps and services. Now you can see your all connected third-party app of my Gmail account from here. If you want to disconnect these app and service, tap on here. Now you can confirm here. Our valuable audience, if this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.